Pythagoras Theorem is one of the most important and most commonly asked theorems and questions that we are going to see on the exam paper. Pythagoras Theorem relates specifically and only to right-angled triangles. When we have right-angled triangles and we have two of its lengths, we can always work out the third length using this formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. What's really important here is that you always make the long side the c squared. The long side of a right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse. So, in our first example, we have got the hypotenuse missing. So, we're going to have 5 squared plus 9 squared equals to the missing side squared. In this case, it's x squared. So, when we do 5 squared and 9 squared, we will get 106. So 106 equals x squared. How do we figure out what the x is? We're going to take the square root of both sides. Square root both sides, and we'll have x is equal to 10.3. A good indication that you are right in these is that if you're looking for the longest side, it's got to be bigger than 9, it's got to be bigger than 5, 10.3, and it also has to be realistically not hugely bigger. So when you see 106, hopefully you think I've still got another step to go. In our second example, we are given the long side. So in this case, we're going to have x squared plus 11 squared equals to 17 squared. We always have to make the equals to part the longest side. From here, we're going to rearrange. So we want to have x squared on its own, so it's going to be 17 squared subtract 11 squared. So x squared is going to be equal to 289 minus 121. X squared is going to give us 168. Again, same process. We're going to take the square root of both sides, and we'll get our final answer, x equal to 12.96.